Hello YouTube family, this is Angie coming at you with another video. As you can see it from the title, it's a flip through of my memory planner. Let's get started. This is a little tassel that I have, and this is the book. It's in gold and white. Right here I have pictures of my family. I have doilies. I have the front of the book that says, this is a little fly leaf here. And this is the front of the book. It's January. It says Love Life. Picture part that you can put pictures in. I've done a picture here. This is the month, January. And the week goes like this. Let's flip through to the next one. Pretty flowers. And they're all about the same. It says, do more of what makes you happy. April says, make today great. May says, worry less, live more. And June says, it also has a section here where it says, that was the best. And then this one says, one day at a time. For July, it says, nothing. It just has a flower. For August, it says, it is a good day to have a good day. For September, today's the best. Then for October, it says nothing. It just has a pretty flower. And for November, never give up. And for the month of December, we have expect miracles. And I have this pretty pen. I also picked up this washi tape. It has gold and green and silvers and watermelon stripes and fruits, tropical and gold and pink and a tropical, kind of like the planner. This concludes my flip through. I hope that you enjoyed it. Remember to live, laugh, and love often. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. And you may find me on other social medias, Facebook and Instagram. On Facebook, I am Angie Sanders. On Instagram, it's under Angie D. Sanders 1968. Subscribe. I do subscribe back. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.